person. I don't like that person. I don't like this person. Give me my watch. Give me my car. Give me my money. Give me this. Come on. So all these other people are there. I mean, think about it. We just have to look logically. And I mean, that's why I didn't want to get involved in this, because it's not necessary. My comment was just basically, hey, you know what? Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Focus on you. That was it. So that's all. So like I said, there's nothing wrong with Trader's Domain, so you can go off and tell people there's nothing going on. Let's see, Raja Banks. Here we go. We're gonna get Raja on.
Raja Banks on. We'll see. Let's see if he's available. I just messaged if he comes on. Is he coming? Is he not? Raja! Raja! Wicks don't lie. Waiting for him to come on. Let's see. Alright, he doesn't want to come on. That's okay. It's all good. But yeah, so I mean, at the end of the day, oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. Let's see if he comes through. Might be having problems with his internet. We're getting destroyed because there are things happening. Oh, he's trying. He doesn't have a good computer, good phone. He's hiding behind the mangoes. Yeah, I'm waiting. Raja, upgrade your internet. Shaun is slandering your name. Yes, Shaun is attacking everybody. Shaun has decided that he wants to build clout. So if he mentions people, we talk about him. Oh, okay. He said 1 second. He's coming. Why am I yawning? Because I'm tired. So. There we go. Here we go. There, I think he's coming. Oh, Raja had to put pants on. There you go. Have I met Shaun? Yep. I've met Shaun. I had no issues with him. Is one of the reasons why Shaun traded on my brokerage. He met me and I told him what I was doing, and that was it. Is there COVID? Yeah, there is. What the hell is going on? All right, let me see if I can do this. That's weird, eh? I keep sending it. There we go. Hey! How's it going?
Oh,
Coming over to your house.
yeah. Hold on. Let me put on these space headphones. 1 second. Put on the space headphones. It's getting old now. So you gotta get bigger headphones, bigger speakers.
Oh. I'm not going to jail. It's like, they're like, I'm going to jail. When I read that, I started laughing. I'm like, why am I going to jail? Like, Jesus. Could you imagine? Like, people are just like, hey, you're going to jail. So, Raquel, you going to join me later in jail? Oh, I don't think we can hear you. Or I can't hear you. That's weird. I don't get your sound. Hmm.
Right now.
Oh, there we go. I got you.
Man, there's something wrong with my thing. It's playing the audio through the speaker.
Oh, okay.
In
Yeah, I had to
in
turn
the
off my
phone.
Bluetooth because it was playing the audio through my car.
Yeah, good for you. Yeah, like what I was saying was like perfect, like we're gonna go to jail, then we can share
Yeah, we'll
like
just
money
teach
or
people how
something
to
like
trade
that.
in jail.
Yeah, it's just like all these things about, these things are going down, going to jail. I mean, this has been going on since 2017, 2018.
Yeah.
And like as I said before, I think there's a phase that happens like every 4 or 5 months. Someone comes along and say, "This guy's bad. This guy's this. This guy's this." They will all go to jail, and then the phase passes.
Hmm.
Maybe someone's bored now soon. Like Sean's going to go to Thailand, for his practice fighting, whatever. And then this is all going to be swept under the rug as if nothing happened.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's just sad because I don't know why he's angry. Like I think that's more of my question is what's he upset about? Like what's deep down inside really bothering him?
I have no idea. I honestly don't know why he's so mad. It's, I mean, at first I thought that maybe it's just like, yeah, okay, he's pissed off, trolling here and there, but man, he's pissed off. Like, he's super
Yeah,
angry now. It's just like, why?
he's like really angry about something, and it was just like yesterday or like this morning he messaged me and he's like, you've got 30 minutes to send me a face, um like you have to FaceTime me and show me a video of you apologizing, and I'm like, apologizing for what? And then he says, well, you were talking about my family. And I'm like, no, I said, man, just take care of your family. Stop with the whole, like, all these 10,000 videos and Instagram lives, and just focus on your family and get better. And I guess he's angry about that. But I mean, I think, yeah, you're not coming through. Oh, there you go.
My radio headphones don't work sometimes. I think like sometimes like people don't know how to express themselves, or like how
Yeah.
to express their emotions or something like that. And I think it's something to do with it's not like what someone has done or we've done or something he's
Yeah.
seen or read. It's you're right, like it's something that has happened in the past that's kind
Yes.
of like, morphing into
There's a
something
trauma.
deadly right
There's definitely a trauma, I think. And I want to know why, there's that trauma, I think. And it's just interesting. I mean, that's sort of what I look at. So, oh, Rakil's in and out.
now. I don't
Oh,
think he's gonna come on for like a discussion. I don't think so.
no, he's never going to have a discussion. Like to do something that logical would never happen with Sean. Um, there's no talking about that. So, but hey, it's I guess we just do what we do. And I mean, I guess like maybe in 10 minutes I'm going to jail or something like that. I don't know. It's just he just sort of laughed. But it's funny because every time he posts about me, I get like another 1,000 followers. So that's actually interesting as well. But yeah, Raquel, your internet sucks. Oh,
No, no, no. They're my
there you go.
headphones. My headphones. Like when I speak. Oh, hold on.
Raquel pays for internet between 6:30 and 9:30.
Now we're good, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, yeah. Actually, we're just gonna do the same things we do, and then supposedly, honestly, I'm kind of waiting for someone to show up here. Like I'm just waiting. We have biryani. I have mango.
Yeah, like I mean, I'll do a barbecue at my house. Like I'll be at my place tonight. I won't be there the rest of the week, but I'll be there tonight. So
Yeah, perfect. Got some money too, guys. Got the fridge all full with rice.
yeah, yeah, definitely we can turn around and do that, and people can have a good time. But hey,
Yeah, but like jokes aside, I would jokes aside now, if I had beef with somebody, you know, I would never if I would post their address, I would think to myself, okay, what good is this gonna do? Is this guy really gonna get scared? Or is this guy really like is he gonna get worried about it? You know? I, I always think like this, but then at the same time, like when you find addresses, these addresses are public information. So for people here, if you search my name on Google, you're gonna see the address. You're gonna see my address, my corporate address. You're gonna see the address right under the link where it says that Wix don't lie is scam. Right underneath there, you see my address. It's public information.
yeah. Well, I mean, at the end of the day, you just sort of laugh about it, but you just sort of feel like really bad. I mean, I'd be more concerned if all these people showed up to my house and I had no food for them.
Yeah,
Like
yeah. I
that's
mean,
what
I
I'd
don't
be
know.
concerned.
We just cleaned up. Like we're moving in like
Yeah,
two
like
weeks. I mean,
well, yeah, like I'm not gonna be at my place this week, and like people are gonna be showing up, and I'm not even gonna be there. So like I'm concerned about that. So like if people want to water my lawn and stuff, I mean you guys can come by and do that too. I feel bad because it's the holidays, right?
yeah, you gotta put tarp over your lawn, bud. Someone might step on it. Make sure that's safe.
Put a sign up, yeah, yeah. So well,
Yeah.
it's all good.
Anyway, I'm gonna
All
head
right,
off. Yeah, so
okay,
yeah, get
enjoy.
some food here.
All
Yes,
right,
sir. I'll wait for
see you
people here
later.
for samosas. Take care.
Yep.